Hello, my name is Precious if you don't environment, an intern at the Sparks Foundation, and this is task number 3, exploratory data analysis of a sample superstore. Here is the data set, and I have chosen to use Excel for the data analysis and visualization. The first step was to import the CSV file into Excel, carried out data cleaning to ensure the integrity of the data sets. I used Power Query for this purpose. Then I carried out the analysis of the data sets, and this was used in the creation of the dashboard for visualization. The KPIs were defined as the total profit, profit by category, and profit by segment. It was discovered that the total profit was a little bit above $286,000. Looking at the profit by segment, it was found that the consumer goods contributed most to the total profit with about 47%, while the home office contributed the least with just 21%. Profit by category, furniture contributed the least with just 6% to the total profit, while technology has the lion's share with about 51%. In terms of states, we have some states that are in the red, where the company is not making profit, the highest being Texas, while California and New York contributed the most to the total profit made by the superstore. In terms of goods sold, binders and paper contributed the most to the total number of goods sold, with binders selling almost 6,000 units, while copiers and machines performed poorly, with just 234 units sold in the copiers and 440 units sold in the machines. I've added filter for easy comparison and visualization. We can filter by region. When we look at Central America, you can see a change in the total profit. That is to say, out of the 286,000 profit made by the organization, 39,000 came from the Central America. This is the distribution of the profits according to category and segments. And we see that binders and papers also perform highest in this region, with copiers performing the least with just 49 units sold. In the central region, we have Texas as the state with the highest loss for the organization, while Michigan has the highest profit. When we go to the eastern region of the country, we have $91,000 as the total profit from this region. And we have changes in the distribution of this profit according to category and segment. Here we see 3% contribution from the furniture and 45% contribution from the technology category. We also have binders here performing the most with about 1,652 units sold. These are the states in the eastern region. Now we see New York with the highest profit margin among the states. Recommendation to the organization is to increase their visibility and marketing strategy in the states that are in to drive sales as well as profit for the organization. And copiers, machines, supplies, and bookcase are not selling. The marketing department has to devise a means strategies to make sure more units of these products are sold, just as that of paper and binders.